In the world of full-size SUVs, there are contenders, and then there are legends. Today, we're not just talking about a legend, we're witnessing its evolution. Out of the shimmering desert dawn, a new king emerges. This is the 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO, and it's here to redefine performance without compromise. From the very first glance, the NISMO DNA is undeniable. It's more than just an SUV. It's a statement piece carved from raw power and refined aggression. Your eyes are immediately drawn to that imposing NISMO front bumper, with its enlarged air intakes designed not just for show, but to feed the beast within. The signature gloss black V-motion grille, highlighted with that iconic red trim, tells you this is no ordinary Patrol. Every line, every curve is purposeful. Carbon fiber accents whisper of its motorsport heritage, while those massive 22-inch forged NISMO alloy wheels, barely containing the enormous performance brake calipers, scream its capability. This is track-inspired dominance, perfectly fused with luxury SUV presence. It's a design that doesn't just ask for respected commands, but the heart of any NISMO is what lies beneath the hood, and this one has a roar that will echo in your soul. Forget what you thought you knew about SUV engine notes. This is pure, unadulterated V8 thunder, meticulously tuned by the masters at Nissan Motorsport. Every press of the throttle unleashes a symphony of controlled aggression, a deep guttural growl that builds into a ferocious crescendo. Whether it's the raw power of the V8 or a potential hybrid-assisted surge, the acceleration is relentless. The gear shifts are lightning fast, each one a percussive kick that propels this giant forward with shocking velocity. This isn't just sound, it's the voice of unyielding power. On the open road, the Patrol NISMO transforms from a static sculpture into a dynamic force of nature. This is where engineering brilliance truly shines. We're talking about a full-size SUV that carves through corners with the precision of a sports car. The advanced adaptive suspension works in perfect harmony with the chassis, keeping this behemoth incredibly flat and stable, inspiring confidence you never thought possible in a vehicle this size. Watching it conquer high-speed curves or articulate over uneven terrain, you realize this is a masterclass in controlled power. It's an ultra-performance SUV that delivers massive strength with astonishing agility, proving that size and speed can coexist in perfect, thrilling harmony. Step inside, and the experience shifts from raw power to refined luxury. The cabin is a driver-focused cockpit, wrapped in racing-inspired elegance. You're greeted by the deep glow of red ambient lighting, highlighting the exquisite NISMO sport seats. Clad in premium leather with bold red stitching, they hold you perfectly in place. Your hands find the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, a tactile connection to the performance at your fingertips. Carbon fiber trim sweeps across the dashboard, a constant reminder of the vehicle's lightweight performance philosophy. In front of you, a fully digital performance cluster displays vital information with crystal clarity, while the massive central infotainment screen puts a world of smart technology at your command. The cabin is your sanctuary, a quiet, premium space where every detail is crafted for the ultimate driving experience. This blend of brute force and intelligent design continues with its technology. The Patrol NISMO isn't just powerful, it's smart. With a flick of a switch, you can toggle through various performance drive modes, tailoring the vehicle's response from a comfortable cruiser to a track-ready weapon. Heading off the beaten path, advanced off-road terrain selection and a 360-degree camera system give you the confidence to conquer any landscape. You can even see the adaptive suspension working in real time on the display. It's a high-tech command center inside a performance monster, giving you absolute control in every situation, from the neon-soaked streets of a bustling city at night to the sun-drenched dunes of the open desert. The Patrol NISMO is a master of every domain. It's a vehicle that provides thrilling highway cruises at sunset and effortlessly tackles rugged adventures the next morning. It's a symbol of elite performance, a testament to what happens when you refuse to compromise. This is more than just a new model. It's the return of a king, more powerful, more luxurious, and more dominant than ever before. The 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO Performance, perfected. Thanks for joining us on this first look. If you were as blown away as we were, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our full review. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Patrol NISMO. Until next time.